Good day, and how are you? Welcome back to the DutchRC channel, and I've got another unboxing for you, and this time it's a micro EDF jet. It's the Katana from HobbyKing, a plug and play, as I said, EDF jet. It's almost 70 centimeters long. Wingspan is 600 centimeters, flying weight 360 grams, and blah blah blah, 15 millimeter ducted fan, 30 amps, speed controller, and well, it says 2.4 gigahertz radio set, but that's not included. It's a plug and play. Should have been a plug and fly, I think. But alright, let's open the box up. And I have already cut most of the tape away because I don't want to waste your time cutting pieces of tape. Now let me first take everything out of the box so I can get rid of the box itself. And there's everything. Yeah, that's the box and gone. Alright, what was in the box? A fuselage, that's the first thing. And let me rip open this bag actually, why not? So you can get a better look at things. There, a fuselage with two servos already installed. The servo leads are nicely labeled. That's convenient. And the ESC has an XT60 connector, as you can see. The next thing, there's still a little tape attached, as you can see. Just a second. Now, I have to say that previously I had a Robbe Nano jet, maybe you know it, the F18, the blue with a little yellow ionics. And to be honest, I didn't really like that plane. It was hard to launch. So I'm hoping this one will do better in that respect. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our main wing with the servos already installed. You will have to install the control rods and you'll have to glue in the control horns. The website, HobbyKing product website did say that, so that's fair. And what's up next? We've got two horizontal stabilizers, which of course will be attached here, or maybe upside down. I'm not sure. We'll see that in the assembly, of course, but nothing about these kinds of builds is rocket science. And we have a vertical stabilizer as well. And all of these surfaces you'll have to glue in the control horns. And speaking of which, we get a hardware package supplied with this plane. Carefully open this bag up without damaging anything. Alright, first up we get a nice, it's a nice looking canopy. No, the cat is not included with the plane, I'm sorry about that. And well, who packaged this? Sorry, this is a bit of a chore to watch, of course. But the last thing that came with the plane was a set of control horns and control linkages. Oh, and I'm forgetting one thing. You get a bag with, which is probably the manual, and I always do want to have a quick look in the manual to see if that's any good. There, the manual. Assembly, blah de blah. Pictures, oh nice big pictures. Apply, glue, install. Yeah. Okay. Well, nothing special, but I've seen worse manuals with planes, so not bad at all for such a cheap and small plane. And speaking of cheap and small, I have to say that it looks very good, especially for its price. It looks quite well finished, really. I'm a bit surprised, really. Of course I hoped it would be reasonable, but it actually looks very good. Okay. Well, I won't make an assembly video for this plane. Should be very simple, but I do hope to do some flight videos with this plane in the near future. So stay tuned for that, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do, so you won't miss my new videos. I regularly post new videos, so please subscribe. Thanks in advance, and see you back in another video. Bye bye.